Have you ever wondered why we hiccup? Like 1 second you're fine, then hic out of nowhere, and it just won't stop. But before I tell you what causes it, let me ask you this. If you could get rid of one forever, what would it be? Hiccups? Smash that like button. Sneezing? Hit subscribe. Brain freeze? Drop an ice emoji in the comments. Okay, here's the truth. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm spasms. It's that muscle below your lungs, and it jerks suddenly, closing your vocal cords, and that's what makes the hic sound. It's usually triggered by eating too fast or even stress, your body's way of saying, yo, chill.